Recovering your Gmail password is straightforward and helps you regain access to your account quickly. Begin by going to the Gmail login page and entering your email address. When prompted to enter your password, click on the Forgot Password link below the password field. Google will then guide you through a few steps to verify your identity. First, you'll be asked to enter the last password you remember using with your account. If you don't remember any past passwords, click on Try Another Way. Google will then attempt to verify your identity through other options, such as sending a verification code to your recovery email address or phone number. If these recovery options are set up on your account, choose one to receive the code, then enter it to proceed. If you don't have access to your recovery options, you may be asked to answer security questions or provide additional details about your account. Once you successfully verify your identity, you'll be allowed to create a new password. Make sure this password is strong and unique, combining letters, numbers, and symbols for added security. After setting the new password, you can log into your Gmail account again and continue using it as usual.